Welcome to the Lionel Collectors Club YouTube channel. Thanks for dropping by. I'm Ed, and today we're going to talk to member Andy Schultz about a very big project he's working on at his home layout. Let's check it out.
This layout is about 15 years old. And today is actually the last day this layout will be in existence. It's getting torn down starting today. I am moving. This is actually in the upstairs of a two-story building. And this layout is 12 by 40 feet. Downstairs is 30 by 40 feet. And I'm going to be rebuilding it downstairs into the bigger space to correct some problems that having the small spaces created. There's about 200 feet of jack up here. There is 85 switches, over 100 locomotives, and over 600 freight cars in the collection, and 15 passenger trains. Everything that I have on here is not collectible. It's all MPC era or modern era Lionel. Mainly cheap stuff that I buy and I weather. I do really like the Lion Chief engines now, and I've acquired about 15 of them, and along with the Menards engines that have come out. I kind of like them a little bit, but for the most part, everything is MPC era Lionel.
I've added a few still images so you can really check out the detail of this layout. What Andy didn't tell us was there was a complete HO layout on the first floor, and it had to be removed so he could put the O gauge layout in its place. These are some images of the HO layout on the first floor. What makes this story even more amazing is Andy started this project in November of 2024. He was very concerned that he wouldn't be able to run trains during the transition period, so his first step was to build a classic Lionel layout in this corner. Here's what it looks like in April 2025. Andy had an open house at the end of April to mark the 6 months it's been since removing the layout from upstairs, taking down the HO layout, and building the O-gauge layout track work that you see here today.
My dad ever made, and it's from like 1968.
Yeah.
Andy was able to reuse the HO mountain that was on the layout by removing the HO portals, installing O-gauge track, and then installing O-gauge portals. He actually has trains running now. Most of the track work is done, and he needs to landscape and install buildings, etc. This is going to take some time yet, and when he gets it finished, he's invited us back. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please take a moment to like and subscribe. For more information about the Lionel Collectors Club, go to lionelcollectors.org. And as always, thanks for watching.